this is my um final project for um my C++ class. Yeah, so what I did was if you think about Quizlet, it's kind of similar, obviously very, very much more simple. But I learned a lot and I've used vectors and some other things like shuffle. That was fun. So let me show you what my program does. So I'm gonna see if I can, yeah, move this up. So this is a program that will help you study for future questions that could be on your upcoming tests. Choose from these options, just type a number for how we can help you study this upcoming test. So there's quit, take a practice test, add possible questions to the list, remove a question, and start a new group. So we're gonna start with one. You have to have at least 3 questions to be able to do that. So we're gonna add a question by clicking two. What is the color of the sky? We have blue, purple, gray, and then you give the correct answer. It's blue. Let's add another question. Um, what is um the color of the sun? Blue, yellow, green. It's yellow. It's hard to tell. It kind of gives light, so who knows really? I never said that this was actually super accurate. What is the first 3 digits of pi? Um, Oops, 4.56, 4.78, 678. Guess you get an extra. Whoops, 3.14. I hope you know it's 3.14. And then, what's the best minion? Who is the best minion, I guess? Oh, let me try that. Ooh, what's the best? Oh, whoops. See, it quits and says thank you when I don't actually give the right thing. So, hold on. Let me just, let's do that again. Blue, green, purple. Let's add another question. What? I don't even remember what we asked. Um, color, sun, blue, yellow, green, two, ooh, mm, whoops, Stuart, Kevin, Bob. It's Bob, the way, if you're wondering. Let's do one more. What the first 3 digits of pi? 3.14. Okay. And then the answer's 8. So now you can take the test because you have enough questions. So what's the color of the sky? Let's get it right. That's correct. What is the color of the sun? That's correct. Oh, just kidding. Oh, that's because I typed Y because that wasn't an option. That's okay. Best minion. Let's say we're wrong. Wrong. The correct answer was Bob. Um, let's say another incorrect one. And something to note is it is um shuffling the possible answers every time, so it has to keep track of the correct one, which is fun to figure out. It was a good time. Um, yeah, so that was definitely like hard coming up, excuse me, coming up with what I wanted to do for this project. And once I came up with an idea of how to execute it, that was even like more difficult and kind of crazy. W3 Schools is my best friend, and that definitely helps a lot to figure out how shuffling works and how vectors work. Because I was going to do a list, and then thinking about how I was going to do that made it really complicated because when it comes to like vector, you like can use the index, which is nice, and that kind of helped me keep track of the correct answer. So, yeah. Um, I kind of had this a similar format though to like the bank account um assignments, but a little different because clearly it's doing something else. So here's my menu and my main function. Here's all the functions and the methods that we used, or I guess I used. Um, I don't know who we would be. That's me. And then my class question. So yeah, that's my assignment. I hope you enjoyed.